A wire of length L and mass m is bent in the form of a semicircle. The gravitational field intensity at the center of semicircle is. So we know that due to any circular arc, we can find out the value of gravitational field by using this equation. If you are having a circular arc and if you like to find out the value of gravitational field at the center due to this circular arc, so we can just find out the answer by using this equation. If this total angle is equal to theta, so the equation for gravitational field is G is equal to nothing but Gm divided by r square into sine theta by 2 divided by theta by 2, or you can write 2gm sine theta by 2 divided by r square into theta. Now according to the question, we can say that this total angle over here is equal to nothing but 180 degree, but whenever we are using this equation, you should take it in radians, so we can take it as pi radians. So according to our equation, we can write G is equal to 2gm into sine theta divided by 2 divided by r square theta. So we can write 2 into G into m into sine. Over here it is pi divided by 2 sine 90, which is equal to 1 divided by r square into the value of theta. Theta we can take it as nothing but pi. So we'll get the answer as nothing but 2gm divided by r square into pi. But here you can observe that the value is not given in terms of pi. The value is not given in terms of r, but it is given in terms of L. So where L is the length of this arc, so length of this arc we can take it as L, and if its radius is r, so we can write L is equal to length is equal to the length of semi circular part. So we can write it as that is equal to pi r is the length of that. So from here you can write the value of this r as equal to L divided by pi. So we can write as 2gm divided by r square, we can take it as L square divided by pi square into pi. So this pi and this pi get cancelled, so we can write as 2 pi gm divided by L square.